just built my own fort out of Lanky Box merch, and now I'm gonna watch the best 3 hours of Lanky Box merch unboxing.
Alright guys, so if you have kids, we all know about merch, right? Merch has been around since the beginning of time. I mean, we all know we had toys when we were kids, right? There's something sinister going on with merch. Something really that every parent should be aware of. And I'm going to get into it a little bit right here. Tell me if you know about this, maybe you don't. So first, I want to get into it. I mean, look, toys have been around since the beginning of time, right? I mean, here's toys.
Ask Sandor.
Who cares? Mumble around with the mumble.
We've seen them. UFO invaders.
Some 90s toys, right? We all got marketed toys as kids, right? The difference nowadays, one of the subtle differences is that we watched our cartoons or whatever, right? And then in between, there was breaks where they marketed toys to us. Right? They were commercials. And we couldn't wait for the show to start a lot of times, but we'd watch the commercials in between, check out the toys we want, right? Well, today, one of the big differences is that the videos themselves are commercials. So like your 30-minute cartoon back when we were kids is now bumped up to like a 2-3 hour video like this one here. And the whole thing is just pushing merch, right? Still not too bad, right? But let me show you something in this video right here, right? I don't want to pick on these guys. They just happen to be the ones that I found. But it drives me nuts because every YouTuber's doing this now, not just these guys.
Read what you get inside as I open this.
So guys, you get 2 mystery squishies, 3 mystery figures, 1 mystery plushie, 3 mystery stickers, a mystery poppet.
You guys notice a recurring theme? Everything is a mystery. What's the deal with all these mysteries, right? What's the deal with this? Why is every toy marketed to our kids from these YouTubers a mystery? It's not an accident. It's not like, oh, it just happened to work out that way. There's a big reason for it. So, first reason is that it creates great content, right? Because you can make a video about opening your own merch, and every single unboxing and opening of your merch is different. Even if it's the same product, nobody knows until you open it, right? So if you have a product and you can see what's in the packaging and you make a video unboxing it, you can only do that once. Once you unbox it, it's kind of like, there it goes. If it's a mystery, you can unbox the same product multiple times, right? And that creates retention in these videos where these guys make a lot of money. And if you don't believe me about how much money these guys make, here's the kind of money they're bringing in. I mean, this is from video views. This has nothing to do with their merch. This has nothing to do with their sponsorships or other deals. This is just from the views on YouTube, right? So on a good day or a normal day, 2,600 to 41,000 a day, right? On a better day, I know these numbers are like a wide margin, somewhere probably in the middle, I would guess it is. But look, on a good day, $17,000 to $267,000 in one day. Tell me if you make $267,000 in a year, or in 2 years, or maybe 3 years. They're making it in one decent day on YouTube with just the ads. And the reason that's so important is because this is just the ads from all the videos getting watched, right? The videos are getting watched, which is great. They're entertaining our kids, and it's all good, right? You know, you got something to do. Your kids can watch these videos and be entertained. That's great, right? But it's not so great. Hold on one second. If you have a video like this, right, that is just ultimate unboxing and Lanky Box merch, all they're doing is it's a 3-hour commercial to make your kids want these products more than they've ever wanted anything in their entire lives. And it gets even worse. It gets worse than that. I'm going to tell you why it gets worse. First of all, this product here, let's see, it's on Target, right? It's $60. $60, fine. It's a lot of money, but whatever. You spend $60 to shut your kid up sometimes, or maybe it's a special occasion. Maybe you'll spend less. Here's what you get for $60, though. Look, you get these little toys. They're like this big. I have to use the magnifying glass just to see them. Look, what's that, a sticker right here? What is this thing? Like a donut? I mean, what are these things? Are tiny little toys, right? And it's $60 to get this little amount of stuff in that box. I mean, you're telling me that's worth $60? These toys were the kind of toys we got in a Happy Meal as an afterthought from McDonald's, right? I mean, these are just the smallest toys I've ever seen in my life, and your kid doesn't even want these toys. That's the thing. You're going to get these toys, right? And they're going to end up in the bottom of your kid's toy chest or wherever else the toys are stored, because what can you do with a little slushie or whatever this thing is after you open it? You can't do anything. It's all a big trick. And I hate to say that, but it's true. So I went and I looked on, AI, because I was kind of curious. What is going on with all these mystery toys, right? Are mystery toys a manipulation of little kids? Because it feels like it's kind of a manipulation. Here's the answer I got. Mystery toys are a form of psychological manipulation targeted at children. These products exploit several cognitive biases and behavior triggers, particularly variable reward systems. The same mechanism that makes gambling addictive, right? So what happens is these guys will have a mystery series of toys, right? Maybe there'll be like 10 figures, let's say 10, I don't know, 20, whatever, right? So certain ones are going to be rare. You're going to get like certain 4 or 5 all the time, right? All the time. And then other ones are going to be rare. So to get those 10 figures, you may have to buy 30 mystery boxes, right? 30 of them to get the one you want. And then when you get the one you want, it's really not even that great because you've seen what they were in the big mystery box, right? They're just little tiny toys, right? What they're doing is they're just kind of playing on kids, the nature of kids not understanding things. And it's like this thing called a loot box effect where they just keep creating excitement to open these things in anticipation to get a rare or common toy. Fear of missing out, limited edition, ultra rare plushies, right? I mean, then it's social pressure. Other kids see that their friends had these little crappy toys and they want them, right? Emotional attachment, parental strain. Since kids don't have their own money, it makes us get destroyed and nagged by our kids relentlessly to when we go to a store, we have to buy this just to shut our kids up, right? And it would be great. It would be great if, like, back in the day, you're buying the toy that your kid wants and they can see what they want, right? But a lot of times the kids are just manipulated into getting a surprise or a mystery, which all the YouTubers do now, right? The kids open it and they're disappointed and they want it again. So they're never happy. They never get the toy they want. That's the idea. So they watch more videos of these guys and these people on YouTube opening these mysteries. The kids decide which ones they want. You go to the store. They drive you nuts because they're available in the store. They open the mystery. It's never the one they want. So they're never happy. So they just want another one in the future. It's a never-ending cycle. I don't know if any of you guys noticed this, but I think it's almost criminal for these YouTubers to basically prey on kids and make them like little addicts of their toys. Guys, if you really care about your audience, all you YouTubers out there, just give the kids the toys that they want. Make it in a packaging that they know, that they can see what's in it, and they can get the toy that they actually want. Is that too much to ask? I mean, is it so much to ask? Let me know in comments if any of you other parents out there are just going nuts from this little manipulation of our young ones.